Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert and I need to apologize right away that I look like shit. I've been sick for 2 days and I have a fever. Not so bad now. In the morning, 39 degrees. But I took some medicine so it's much lower now. Since I have not made a video for 2 days, and I have one video that I really should have had because everything is growing too fast here. And that is to harvest my pea sprouts because they have been growing very fast. And I will show you them. And here they are. Ta-da! Look at that. Amazing, right? It grows very fast. I think it's about 2 weeks ago I planted this. Can't remember. My head is a little bit fuzzy right now. Well, yes, let's say 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks you have grown from nothing to, let's see how tall they are now. They are at about 15 centimeters here. And I would say 15 centimeters, that is time to harvest. Because otherwise the stems, they get a little bit chewy, a little bit woody, and you don't want it. You want to have the crisp, freshness and the good taste of it. So after I harvest this, I need to clean them, of course, normal with water, of course, and also remove if there's any, the shells from the peas stuck in here, or something yellow. So we take out everything that looks not very good, like dead and stuff like that. And then you just clean it carefully. Use the towel to just pat it so they get dry, and I can store this in my fridge for a couple of days at least. But you can't wait too long because they lose their firmness. It's like with other green leaves too. You can have them in the fridge, not too cold, for a couple of days, but you have to eat them. And again, high in nutrition. A lot of vitamins and minerals in these, and like no calories. So this is a very good thing and healthy thing you eat, especially if you want to exercise and lose some weight. Yeah, and put this in a salad, and like it didn't cost anything. Well, let's stop fever talking and start cutting. Okay, I will take the camera and make a close up, and then I will harvest it. Let's see now. Let's start and have it, because I want to cut as low as possible, of course, because I want to have as much of the tastiness as possible. I just need to open it up a little bit so I can get the scissors in. Yeah, here it comes. Look at that. And of course, this is the first harvest. I can harvest 2 times. After that, it will get too woody, and I don't want that. Let's weigh this and see how much the weight of this is. It'll be interesting. I have a scale somewhere. Oh, let's see it cut down there. Look at this. Oh, and the smell is wonderful when I start cutting it. It's a very green and I don't know, I get hungry just smelling this. I need some olive oil, some salt and pepper on this, and some cucumbers, maybe some lettuce and tomatoes, and then I'll have a very nice salad. Look at that. Let's see, remove this and everything that's dropped in. And as you can see now, it looks like this. I could probably cut a little bit closer, but it's difficult with the high edge of this. It's not very practical. I will redo this in another way. So let's take the scale and see what is the weight of our harvest. And I have zeroed in my little scale here. And let's put everything on and see how much does it weigh. And we have, is it everything? A little bit more here. And we have, 54 grams. Well, that is not bad from, as you can see, it's a very small container. So I think this worked well, and we need to do more of this because I want to use this more in our daily diet here at home. So I think I will try, this is like a normal plastic tray. I think I will try to fill this up with soil. I have soil, and cover everything and try to sprout as much as possible. The bad things we're doing this way is I need to be more secure with the moist, because when I did with this one I had the lid on for 3 days, so the moist really is working in here like a small greenhouse. With this I have to be very careful because it cannot dry, because then it stops growing and dies immediately. But I think if I do a good 3 centimeters of soil and moist it really good and put on the piece, I think it would work. Well, this is all for this video. I will not show you when I wash it. You know how to wash things, and I will just go through and see if anything is dead, and then I will make some salad. I have no appetite today, but I need to eat something. And tomorrow I hope I feel much better and we can do a longer, much better video. Actually, the spring is here now, so it's very close to start with the greenhouse. Well, have a very good Monday. I will go and take a rest now. Goodbye.